What's up guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you the Superglide glass mouse skates with Logitech G502 Lightspeed, and I'll be determining whether they are worth $25. As always, I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested, so let's get started. So these replace the plastic mouse skates that we have here, the 4 pieces, and here they are. So they do say, so Superglide there, Super, and then a few other things. So before we get started, we first need to remove these skates from here. Before that though, the way I'm going to be comparing this is based on sound, because basically they're meant to reduce friction by having a material that's more scratch resistant. And as you can see here, my skates already have some scratches and dents. So the way I'm going to be testing their efficacy is by having a clean mouse pad, having a clean mouse, and just doing it by sound. So I'll be comparing these two clips after we install the new ones. So this is how it sounds with the stock plastic ones. Mine are a bit beat up. So first we're going to have to remove the old skates from the mouse. You'll see there's actually these little kind of cutouts on each of them that will help us remove it. So what I'm going to do is just use a tool like this plastic spudger I have. You just need to get under it, like so, and peel it up. There we go. And then mine came off pretty easily, but if there's still some adhesive residue on here, you can just go ahead and clean that up a bit. Alright, so I have cleaned it off a little bit. Please do note that it does not have a new piece that goes around the sensor, unfortunately. But let's start installing our Superglide skids. Does appear to be some sort of matte or frosted glass, actually. You peel it off. Get it all lined up. And stick it down. So at first I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this. It's because of the color and because of the words. I'd rather they weren't there. It's kind of cool. It's kind of like the Supreme logo. Get it aligned. Stick it down. Alright. So as you can see, there's not a lot of adhesive on it, but I'm just lightly coaxing it into place, and then when it's where I want it, just stick it down, and yeah, it's not going to come up easily. Alright, last piece. You can see, very rigid. It is actually glass, it seems. Technically, it is aluminosilicate glass. Rotate it slightly. There we go. So, it is quite flashy. Press firmly. For 2 to 3 seconds, I guess I should do that. I'll just kind of go like that. That should be enough. Alright. Now, for the final test. Is it quieter? Does it skate better? Now, this does also depend on your mouse pad, but is it better? So, sound test. So it actually sounds louder, but let's see how far it can glide. I think there is a minor improvement, but honestly, unless you are really focused on those details. I know some people are. Or if you just like the sound better, it could be worth it, but for you and me, probably isn't worth 25 bucks. Although it does look cool. So this is right after the video. There actually is a relatively noticeable improvement, especially when kind of applying some downforce, some pressure. It is actually significantly less friction, therefore smoother and faster.